Welcome back to DIY Dave and Company. I'm Laura, and today I'm putting together a kit from Annie's Farmhouse Style. This was the first one that I've gotten, and it is for some Homestead Magnets. I'm wanting to learn more crafts, more hobbies. I'm wanting to, kind of improve in a number of different areas. And rather than me going it alone, I thought having a kit from Annie's would be the perfect way to start. And this way, if I don't like it, well, I'm not out all the equipment and everything and the supplies. So we're just going to go nice and slow. Tells everything we've got. I've got my wood backings. I've got my wood frame pieces. I have paint and stain. I have a paintbrush. I have my magnets. I also have a sponge for the stain and gloves. And it says it came with a craft stick, but I'm not seeing it. So I've got some. I've also got a ruler that I could use. And I'm going to need a hot glue gun. Well, the first thing it tells me to do is to paint the back of my frame pieces. So I'm going to go ahead and do that and let it dry. And then we'll be back to finish them up. The first thing I did was paint one side of my magnet backing. And I did 3 coats. 2 just didn't look right. So we're going to set these aside. I want to open up my frame pieces. And you'll notice we have 6 magnets, so we're going to have 12 of the short ones, 12 of the long ones, 2 for each. We're going to put our magnet pieces over here just for right now. We have a sponge. And we have some gloves. I am wearing an apron, and I have a piece of old poster board on my table so I don't mess it up. Staining is a little new to me. I haven't done a lot of staining in my life. So again, that's part of what I'm wanting to do, is to learn do different things. Well, I do believe this is our stain. And then we're just going to stain some. And I'm just going to put me a little dab over there. And then we're going to get started. One down. 23 more to go. I'm going to go ahead and finish all of these. I don't think you want to sit here and watch me stain all of them. But that's my next step. And we'll do that, let them kind of dry a little, and we'll be back for the next step. Alright, so I've got all my pieces are stained. And my little poster board area is a mess. That's okay. Better for that area to be a mess than my table. I have all my pieces painted. The next thing that they say to do is we're going to cut our pictures. And there's that craft stick they were talking about. I wonder. So right. So if I do there, there, that's right there. So I've just scored it a little bit. Now I have a nice guide for the cutting. This one I think I can eyeball. Okay, so now this is the fun part. Take the paper off and trim that a little bit more. And it looks like the whole piece is going to go on here. Like that. Okay, note to self, it does not pick up real good. Ah. Okay, I got it. This is a transfer. So I messed up a little bit. But that's pretty cool. I like this. Okay, let's do another one. Kind of center that. Ta-da. Okay, nope. Ta-da! Okay, that is so cool. And then we're just going to keep on going until we have all of those. And then once these are dried, we will hot glue them to the sides. All right. Very inexpensive little glue gun that I got from Dollar General. I've got a really nice one that has its own stand and everything, but I'm out of the glue sticks. What I like also about my other glue gun is it's got an on-off switch. How hard you try, these don't like standing up. And it has an indicator light. And there we go. And we'll start with the short pieces. Here's one side. Two sides. And I don't think they have to be perfect. I think that adds to the, you know, farmhouse charm. And then the other one. Ta-da! Now all we have to do is put the magnet on the back. And you can buy different shapes of magnets. I love that they're giving me the exact size that I need. There's one. This looks like it's going to be a fairly strong magnet. And that is ready now for me to put up on my refrigerator or wherever. I am having a total and complete blast with these kits. Complete and utterly. Well, I hope you have enjoyed watching me play with my Farmhouse Style Kit Club from Annie's Attic. I hope you are becoming inspired. Again, I personally think this is a great way to learn. You have all the pieces, not a lot of investment, and then you can decide if you like it and want to do some more. I want to do some more of these. These are awesome. Print out my own sayings, you know, different things. Do some decoupage. But these have been fun, and it's letting me know that things that I thought were hard are not. But now I think it's time to get back to my sewing machine and make some quilt blocks for Crazy Dave's crew and the viewers who like Thursday threads. So, this is great. I like this so much. And this isn't really woodworking, but I am still playing with wood. So that's kind of neat. So I am kind of learning about some wood things. Well, I hope you've enjoyed this. I hope you will, find yourself inspired. Check out Annie's Attic. They've got a lot of different kits and subscriptions that just look like they would be so much fun. Doing the woodworking one and the farmhouse style. And these are just so much fun. And that was my mistake, not the kit's fault. That was my mistake. But that's okay. We're good. I even think that will still look good. Very rustic-y looking, very farmhousey. And no, we don't have cows, but we do have chickens. Would love to be able to get some property and expand a little bit. I hope you'll like, subscribe, and don't forget to come back. Join us next time right here on DIY Dave and Company. Thank you so much for watching.